Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How to Ensure Your Bathroom Remodel Finishes on Time. Picture this. You're ready for a bathroom update more inspiring than a flip-flop summer collection, but horror stories of remodels stretching longer than a Shakespearean monologue keep you up at night. Fear not. Today, we're lining up strategies that will hustle your bathroom remodel across the finish line with style and precision. First off, let's talk planning. Think of it as packing your bags for a long trip. You don't just toss things in a suitcase and hope it works out. Start with a clear vision and a detailed plan, from the biggest item down to the brass tacks. Define every piece, every tile, like you're Michelangelo working on a masterpiece. Planning is the backbone of on-time projects. Missing this step? You'll find yourself in a timeline tumble dryer faster than you can say missing shower curtain. Next, set a realistic timeline with your contractor right off the bat. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. The catch? Both you and your contractor need to agree on deadlines and milestones. Be crystal clear about expectations, because a missed day can snowball into a missed week, like a squirrel hoarding too much for winter. And let's address communication. It's the secret sauce. Regular updates should be as steady as your morning brew. Set a weekly meeting with your contractor to discuss progress, potential hiccups, and changes. Staying updated wards off what I call the Sunday scale of frustration, where you realize something went amiss after it's too late to fix it before Monday. Dodge delays by ensuring selection of all materials ahead of time. Nothing derails a project like waiting for a personalized sink sailing across the ocean from who knows where. Make those choices, place your orders, and enjoy watching everything gracefully line up right when you need it. Another cardinal rule: be decisive. Avoid that impromptu visit from the decision dilemma demons. Changes mid-flight can drag a 2-week project into next month. Stick to your choices unless there's a dang good reason to switch gears. Lastly, leave a little wiggle room. Unexpected things happen: hidden plumbing issues, the wrong shade of tile. Leave some contingency time in your plan. A bit of extra buffer can turn frustration into flexibility. So now you're equipped for that timeline triumph in your bathroom remodel. Ride these strategies like the steadfast master planner you are, and see your project not only completed on time, but done to sheer perfection. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.